Hi, this is Carla from MooreTalkJa, and my hair is uncombed, and the camera is probably shaky, and it's not staged properly. But this poem just started coming to me. One of the hardest things about having a heart like mine is the way that you can simultaneously be angry to the point of wanting to literally kill someone, and heartbroken to the point of devastation at the same time. So you have a choice. You can either scream and kick and be a complete bitch, or you can cry. But the thing is, you have to live with yourself in the morning. And whether you decide that you're going to sob about it or you're going to act like it doesn't matter at all, you're the one who will have to take the fall. You are the one whose soul they'll see. The complicated thing about having a heart like mine is I can never fully harden myself to anyone or anything, but I can never make myself fully soft. See, I can't trust just anybody with me, but I don't want to be alone. So what do I do? Do I make myself into a fortress? Do I make my heart into a thing that somebody has to scratch and claw for? Or do I give it over and accept that I will be hurt again and again and again? See, the complicated thing about having a heart like mine is that at the core of it all, I'm a hopeless romantic and a sucker for love. I'm the type of person that falls in love with stray dogs. I'm the type of person that would literally give my arm to someone who needed it because I have another one. But after so many years of going through, I'm also the type of person who's been hurt again and again and again, and who's given that arm only to have the person who got it use it to slap me. The person who's been in love again and again and again, and who's learned all of the lessons but also had all of the heartbreak. So which one do I choose? Do I become jaded and cynical and that girl that doesn't believe in love? Or do I be that idiot who keeps trying against all odds? You see, the complicated thing about having a heart like mine is that it has more than four chambers, and almost every one of them contains something that contradicts something in at least one of the others, and they're all beating inside of my chest. And it's not just about who I'm in love with, it's about who I love and who I care for and what I give to the world and what I try to save and don't save and what I try to fix and don't fix, and whether I turn myself into the type of person who's all about the other or all about me, or how do I find something in the middle that leaves me sane and whole but also fulfilled. Complicated thing about having a heart like mine is that it's about 15 hearts in one, and it's been broken but it's still beating. So if you could take the sum of all the parts that it's been fractured into and put them all together, and then add whatever is the glue that you have to take to hold it, and then think about the things that get stuck in that glue that just refuse to come out, then you have a solid picture of the type of person I am at this point. The complicated thing about having a heart like mine is that it's not just a heart, it's a heart and a soul. I do everything with my soul. So what do you choose? To be the bitter bitch, or to be beaten black and blue by the same experiences again and again, just at different hands? The complicated thing about having a heart like mine is it's not actually my heart. It belongs to the world, and I'm just the holder of it.